163 on the Appalachian Trail. I'm leaving the shelter here. This is a cool shelter, had sunlight on the top, had a bear fence in front. Here comes one of my new Hoosier friends right here. He's cutting down the forest, it looks like. Anyway, on the trail in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Today is climbing day. I got some big climbs and it ought to be fun. Alright, here we go. Here's my first view today. See the clouds way off in the distance. This is cool. Got this wall to keep the trail supported. Very nice. Rock, big galax. Looks like I might have a view up here. Yeah, I do. Hang on a second. Let me get up this beastie rock. There we go. Ha ha. This is pretty. Nice view. All right, here we go. My goodness, since I did not have a view yesterday, I decided to climb up to Mount Cammerer, take that little 6/10 of a mile side trail, and this is amazing. Holy moly. Maybe this will make up for old Max Patch and Snowbird that I didn't see anything yesterday. So this is a tower on top of this mountain, and you get a 360 view. There's some of the other hikers down here. My goodness. Mount Cammerer. I love it. All right, day 163 on the Appalachian Trail. I'm at Mount Cammerer Lookout. I just ran into this lady, and how far are you going?
We're actually going to the Cosby campground, and we're going to the Mount Cammerer trail.
Right. That's how we say it. Right.
Exactly.
And this is your friend right somewhere. There we go. They're over there. And she's up there. There's 4 of us. You meet the coolest people on the Appalachian Trail. All right, going up the trail. About 8/10 of a mile from Cosby Knob shelter. And look, a worker, a volunteer, has come in and cut all these dang old nettles off. Cut them back. I don't know how far it is, but I sure do appreciate you, Mr. Trail Working Volunteer. Thank you. All right, I stopped in at the Cosby Knob shelter just to fill my water, grab a quick bite to eat. There were signs everywhere saying the shelter was closed, due to aggressive bear activity. So I decided just to get my water, eat my food, and get out. I wouldn't want to spend the night at a place that's got aggressive bear activity. That might be scary. I've seen so many people out today. Of course, it's the Sunday of Labor Day weekend. And so I figured it'd be a little crowded up here. Most people are day hikers. So I've been doing lots of climbs. Started at 2,000-ish. I'm about 5,000 feet now. I gotta go up to 6,000 feet. Oh, doggy. It's a beautiful day. Cold front went through, low humidity. Just been very pleasant. Here on the Appalachian Trail, day 163. People are so funny when I tell them I'm a thru-hiker. You end up stopping and talking. I can't make any progress, so I've kind of quit telling people. I said, I'm just hiking, going south. All right, here we go. All right, here's another fantastic view. It's amazing. I'm about 6,100 feet high, about 2 miles from the shelter. This is gorgeous. Beautiful day. All right, here we go.